Listen up now. This is serious.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's MacPrayze. Look, I'm about to let you hear a clip that is a real clip of a recording. In the 70s, and a lot of people heard about this, God is revealing things. Now, I've been knowing about this clip. I probably spoke about it on the channel I've been knowing about this clip probably 12 years, something like that. It's the sounds from hell. Let me tell you something. When I first heard it, I believed it. And I got another clip that I'm going to show it another time about. They found another hole where you can hear these creatures dragging chains, making all these kind of noises, and it don't sound fake. And that was recorded in Iran. The other one was recorded in Siberia. Now, if you think you wanna play around with your soul, and you think that there ain't no hell, and you think there ain't no punishment for sin, you listen to this and you take a good look, man. You pray on it. But I believe it. I always believed. I never questioned it, not one time. So I'm gonna let y'all hear this clip, and you decide, because I already made my decision that it's real, and I'm not going to hell.
Paranormal, supernatural. He passed away fairly recently, but he would have loved your show. He let me listen to one of the audio tapes that he had on the sounds from hell in Siberia, and I copied it. He received his copy from a friend who worked at the BBC. It took me a while to find it tonight, but attached is that sound from my uncle's tapes. It's not the greatest quality, but the sounds are there. I was very hesitant to send you this, as the sound bothers me to listen to. I'd suggest that if you do play it on the program, warn listeners in advance so they may have the option of turning the radio off for 30 seconds while it plays. It has always haunted me. To those who discounted the Siberia sounds from Hell's story, it is true, and I, for one, wish it wasn't. Rick, listening from Chicago. And so I submit now the cleaned, a better copy to you, and I warn you, what you're about to hear is very disturbing indeed.
Listen up now. This is serious.